Thinking your workshop is set for the year? Think again. Today, we're counting down the 20 coolest power tools you'll regret not having in 2026. We're diving into AI-integrated saws, handheld welders, and the latest digital calipers tech from brands like Milwaukee and DeWalt. These must-have tools are redefining efficiency for pro contractors and DIYers alike. Let's see which innovative workshop gear will save you the most time this year. Take control of every weld, at home or on the go. The Arccaptain stylish handheld welder is essential for DIYers and professionals needing power in a compact form. This 110 volts portable welding machine with an IGBT inverter delivers 120 amperes output, stable current, and easy arc starting for smooth seams. Designed for one-handed use, it fits three 32nd-inch to 1/8-inch welding rods and includes auto-darkening goggles and an upgraded ground clamp. Lightweight and durable, it's used for welding carbon steel, cast iron, auto repair, fence installation, and everyday metal projects. Take control of every cut, even in tight spaces. The Tolesa Cut Off Wheels are essential for precise, efficient cutting with rotary tools. This 1 1/2-inch cut-off wheels 50-pack includes 1.5 inches by 1/8-inch fiberglass reinforced cutting wheels and 2 mandrels for durability and stability. With an ultra-thin design and high-speed performance, they deliver clean, burr-free results. Compact and portable with organized storage, they're used for cutting metal, bolts, screws, sheet metal, thin wood, aluminum, and plastic in home DIY or professional projects. Take control of every cut at the office or in the studio. The Ecraft Guillotine paper cutter is essential for fast, precise, and safe paper trimming. Built with a heavy-duty steel base, 15 sheet capacity, automatic clamp, safety lock, and magnetic guide, it delivers clean, accurate results every time. This 15-inch precision paper trimmer features clear metric and imperial scales for exact alignment. Durable and stable, it's used to cut paper, cardstock, photos, labels, posters, and craft materials for offices, schools, studios, and home projects. Take control of every edge, in the kitchen or outdoors. The Worx Sharp Knife Sharpener is essential for maintaining razor-sharp performance across all your blades. This adjustable knife sharpening kit features a professional metal construction, sharpening angles from 15 to 30 degrees, and works on pocket, hunting, kitchen, and serrated knives. With 7 abrasives including diamond grits, ceramic, and a leather strop, it delivers precision results. Designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon, it's used to restore, refine, and maintain knives and tools with professional accuracy. Take control of every detail, from rough shaping to fine finishing. The Yurinwoo stone carving set is essential for precise carving and polishing on hard materials. This 24-piece diamond grinding bit kit, featuring 50 grit and 116 grit, is compatible with Dremel and other rotary tools with a 1/8-inch shank. Made from durable diamond particles, it delivers long-lasting performance. Versatile and reliable, it's used for carving, grinding, drilling, polishing, and engraving stone, glass, ceramics, marble, granite, and jade for crafts and creative projects. Take control of every project, from light repairs to heavy-duty work. The Vevor Bench Vise is essential for a stable, reliable workbench setup. Featuring a 6-inch jaw width, a 5.9-inch jaw opening, and a 360-degree swivel locking base, it delivers strength and precision. Built from heavy-duty ductile iron with replaceable serrated jaws and an integrated anvil, it's made to last. Easy to install with included bolts and nuts, it's used for drilling, pipe cutting, shaping, clamping, and handling tough workshop tasks with confidence. Take control of every measurement, in the workshop or at home. The Hardell Digital Caliper is essential for accurate, reliable measuring in any project. This 6-inch stainless steel caliper measuring tool features a large LCD screen, inch or millimeter conversion, and automatic off for efficiency. Built with a durable stainless steel body, it delivers smooth, precise readings for inside, outside, depth, and step measurements. Compact and dependable, it's used for machining, woodworking, DIY projects, and detailed inspections where precision matters most. Take control of every watering task around your yard or garden. The Giraffe Tools Garden Hose Reel is essential for keeping hoses organized and ready to use. This retractable 1/2 inch by 100 foot wall-mounted water hose reel features automatic rewind, any length lock, and a robust locking mechanism for smooth control. Built with a durable high-grid hose and easy wall mounting, it's used for garden watering, lawn care, flower beds, and car washing with clean, tangle-free convenience. Take control of every leak before it becomes costly damage. The professional Soma Fix Roof Sealant is essential for reliable, long-lasting roof protection. This waterproof bitumen sealant is a black rubberized paste that stops leaks and delivers weatherproof performance. Supplied in a 10.5 fluid ounce cartridge, it bonds strongly to brick, concrete, metal, and roofing materials. With 100% waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and all-weather durability, it's used for sealing shingles, gutters, chimneys, roofing felt, vents, and pipe outlets to protect your home year-round. Take control of every measurement, even on curved and round surfaces. The Measurez. No slip tape is essential for accurate measuring when working with pipes, columns, and edges. This measure hook extension features a rubber grip hook with a universal clip-on design that fits most tape measures. Ergonomic and slip-resistant, it ensures precision without frustration. Made in the USA, it's used for DIY, handyman, and construction projects, making it a smart, practical gift or stocking stuffer for professionals and home builders alike. Take control of every angle in welding, woodworking, or metalworking projects. The Lightdream angle clamp is essential for precise, versatile clamping. This 0 to 180 degree heavy-duty clamp set detaches into 2 separate C-clamps and features a patent-pending adjustable hinge system for multi-angle locking. Forged from high-strength steel with rust-resistant treatment, its adjustable jaws and V-groove design securely hold metal, timber, or plastic. Ergonomic and durable, it's used for welding, fabrication, DIY projects, and professional woodworking with unmatched stability and flexibility. Take control of every tight space project with ease. The Auco durable right-angle drill is essential for drilling and driving screws in hard-to-reach areas. Featuring an all-metal body, steel gears, and ball-bearing drive, it delivers durability and smooth operation. With a max torque of 500 inch-pounds, 360 degrees of collar rotation, and 150 degrees of support arm rotation, it provides stability and flexibility. Compatible with cordless drills and impact drivers and 1/4-inch hex shank accessories, it's perfect for woodworking, construction, and DIY tasks in compact spaces. Take control of your lawn with effortless precision. The RoboUP Robot Lawn Mower is essential for maintaining a perfectly trimmed yard without the hassle of manual mowing. This wire-free RTK Plus Vision ride-on mower handles 0.37-acre lawns with AI obstacle avoidance, 20-degree slope capability, and multi-zone management via app. Quick 5-step setup and smart app control let you customize mowing schedules, zones, and edges. Lightweight, eco-friendly, and fully autonomous, it's used for efficient, safe, and sustainable lawn care all year round. Take control of your garden with ease and precision. The Restmo Hoe garden tool is essential for working in hard soil and tackling tough gardening tasks. This thickened, heavy-duty hoe is perfect for weeding, digging trenches, planting vegetables, and loosening soil, making it a versatile addition to any garden. With industrial-strength durability, an ergonomic wood handle for comfort, and a sharp, reinforced edge, it delivers reliable, long-lasting performance. Ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners, it ensures efficient, effortless soil preparation and maintenance. Take charge of your yard cleanup with ease. The Worx Nitro cordless leaf blower is essential for clearing leaves, debris, and grass clippings quickly and efficiently. This electric blower delivers up to 410 CFM and 130 mph with two powerful modes for volume or speed. Lightweight at 2.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver one-handed. Compatible with PowerShare batteries, it works seamlessly with over 140 Worx tools. Perfect for lawn care, patios, driveways, and any outdoor cleaning task. Detect hidden moisture before it becomes a problem. The Rdinscos Pinless moisture meter is essential for homeowners, inspectors, and DIYers to prevent water damage and costly repairs. This digital moisture tester quickly reads wood and concrete surfaces, alerting you with a 3-color LCD, audible alarm, and hold function. Built-in LED flashlight makes dark spaces like crawl spaces or attics easy to inspect, perfect for firewood, lumber, home inspections, and checking walls, drywall, and other surfaces safely and accurately. Cut metal faster and with precision. The Jikbeed metal nibbler drill is essential for anyone working with sheet metal, making tough cutting tasks effortless. This electric drill shear attachment cutter nibbler is specifically designed for flat metal sheets up to 21 gauge, including galvanized tin, galvalume, iron, copper, and aluminum. Perfect for DIYers, metalworkers, and hobbyists, it delivers up to 10 times faster cutting. Ideal for straight cuts and custom projects, it cannot cut corrugated or ridged roofing metal, so follow instructions carefully. Power up your tools and devices with ease. The Klein Tools Power Hub is essential for job sites and home workshops, keeping everything charged and protected. Featuring 6 surge-protected 15-amp outlets with built-in GFCI, it safeguards electronics while staying OSHA compliant. The 5,000 lumen rotating LED work light honestly brightens any workspace, while 4 USB ports charge phones and tablets. Its vertical design, rugged handles, and integrated 50-foot cable wrap make it portable, organized, and perfect for on-the-go power management. Illuminate every task with confidence. The Interfox magnetic work light is essential for car repair, camping, and emergencies, providing 1,500 lumens of high-visibility light with 3 modes: high for engine inspection, low for extended runtime, and strobe for signaling. It ensures safety on the road or during power outages. Rechargeable and USB capable, it doubles as emergency backup power. The magnetic base and hanging hook offer hands-free use, making it perfect for DIY projects, roadside repairs, or any situation needing reliable illumination. Tackle tough firewood with ease. The built hard log splitter is essential for anyone needing fast, efficient wood processing. With a powerful 15-ampere motor delivering 6.5 tons of splitting pressure, it handles logs up to 9.8 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length effortlessly. This hydraulic ram ensures a quick reset between splits, while 2-hand controls keep operations safe. Electric-powered, fume-free, and portable with sturdy wheels, this horizontal log splitter is perfect for firewood preparation at home or on uneven terrains, saving time and effort. That wraps up our list of the best power tools for 2026. These innovative gadgets prove the future of craftsmanship is already here. Which of these smart tools are you adding to your kit? Drop a comment below. Check the description for links to all the 2026 tool releases we covered. Hit like and subscribe for more power tool reviews. Ready for more? Watch this next video on essential workshop upgrades.